Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zach Bryan's November Air on guitar. First, you'll need to place a capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. This sets the correct key for the song. The main chords you'll use are a minor, C over B, C, G, and F. Focus on getting these shapes clear and practice switching between them slowly. Don't worry if it feels a bit awkward at first. Consistent practice makes a big difference. The rhythm of November Air has 2 main parts, fingerpicking and strumming. For the verses, Zach Bryan often uses a fingerpicking style, typically with his thumb on the root notes and his first finger on the 2nd string. When the song builds, especially in the chorus, you can switch to a simple strumming pattern like down, down, up, up, down, up. Pay attention to the song's dynamics to know when to pick softly and when to strum with more emphasis. Understanding the song structure will help you navigate November Air easily. It generally flows from an intro into verses, then a pre-chorus, and finally the powerful chorus. The intro and verses largely use the A minor, C over B, C, G progression. When you reach the chorus, you'll introduce the F chord, following a progression of F, C, G, and a minor. The bridge often mirrors the chorus progression, providing a familiar yet impactful section. To truly master November Air, consistent practice is key. Start by practicing each chord change slowly, ensuring every note rings out clearly. Using a metronome can greatly help in developing a steady rhythm. Listen to Zach Bryan's original recording, often to internalize the song's unique feel and timing. Don't try to play the whole song perfectly at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, manageable sections and celebrate each small victory as you learn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.